I've been using PayPal a couple of years now, and there is this challenges we used to face. That's PayPal limitation and restriction. Mostly countries which are not allowed to use PayPal in their country, but we find means and ways to use PayPal for some online activities like receiving of payment through some apps and website that uses PayPal. And through my experience, I have four main points that I want to show to you that can help you secure and protect your PayPal account. Because the reason is that one of my account, I've been used that account more than 4 years. I've not received or experienced limitation and restriction. So the practice that I use that make me use that account for a long is what I'm going to share with you. PayPal does not operate in some of the African countries like Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, and the rest. But we use ways and means to get access to PayPal, and through that, when PayPal find out, they restrict our account and block our account. Sometimes our money being locked and a whole lot of stuff. But the activities that we and you can do to help us secure our account. If you're using a PayPal, don't save your money on your PayPal account. You want someone send you money or you receive payment from your works and any online activity that you do, make sure after you receive the money, you withdraw the money to your account. And withdrawing the money into your account, you can use so many ways and means to withdraw the money. Sell it to any other person. Don't link your local card into your PayPal. If you are in a country whereby PayPal does not work in your country and you try to link your local bank to PayPal, sometimes some banks it will work, but later when PayPal find out, they will block or limit your account from operating. And through that method, I find out a way that you can get international account or virtual card that can help you link that card to PayPal and use it to receive money and stuff. So this is what I do. The time I was not having access to any international virtual card to a PayPal account. What I do here is that when I receive payment into my PayPal account, I try to sell it up or use it to buy products online. And when the products shift to me, then I sell the product to others and receive rare cash from others. Or I sell it to people. There are people online who need PayPal from their works online. So when you find those people, you can send the PayPal to them and they give you rare cash that you can use it without them withdrawing their money into your account. The next part that I have for you is that don't use VPN in logging into PayPal account. If you use VPN logging into your PayPal account and PayPal find out, they will either block you or take off your account, or all the money in your account will be limited. Okay, so you cannot get access to your fund. So make sure you will not or use the VPN in signing into your account, or use VPN signing up into PayPal account. If you want to create a PayPal account, I have a full tutorial on how you can create a PayPal account without using VPN. The simple and new method that you can use. The last part I have for you is that don't use more than 3 machines. Like if you have more than 3 phones, don't use those phones to or log into your account. Make sure you use only 2. Or you have a phone and you have a PC, you can use your phone and your PC, only of that of them to create or log into your PayPal account. If you use more than that, PayPal will think that it's a scam or people trying to hack your account. So they will limit your account for you verification before you can get your account back. And if you are in a country whereby PayPal does not work, you can get those documents to be able to get your account back. So don't use more than 3 or 2 machines, phones and PCs to log into your account. The bonus I have for you is that make sure you will not use public PC or public Wi-Fi. Don't use that one. Don't be linking your PayPal account into many websites that claim they will pay you and those stuff. Make sure you look for a legit website or apps that pays, and then you link your PayPal account. If you link your PayPal account to those fraudsters websites, your account, PayPal will detect or think that your account is trying to be hacked, then they will limit your account. If you want to make money into your PayPal account, check out next video on how you can, or best websites and apps that can earn you PayPal money. If you try to practice this 4 simple method, it will help you to secure your PayPal account from limitation and bound. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.